Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing a review on a fantastic new scope by Altair Astro. They've got a quad range out and this is their latest one, the 90 EDQ. Beautiful scope, but I'll be going into all the details in the main video. My name's Glenn and you're watching Astrobloke. So let me run you through the key specs, because this is where it really starts to make sense. So we've got an aperture of 90mm with a focal length of 450mm with the focal ratio f5. So this sits right in that sweet spot, wide enough for big nebulae but with enough reach for smaller targets. Now the optics. It's completely flat field corrected because it's a quadruplet design. The correction is built into the scope itself, so we don't need to add anything onto the back to get it corrected. And that's important because it gives you a consistent star shape across the frame. We've got less chance of any tilt issues and a much simpler imaging setup. Mechanically, we've got the dual speed focuser. It's designed to handle modern cameras and filter wheels and a solid back end for heavy imaging trains. We also have a built-in 360-degree rotator, and that's also got a locking knob on it. That is really smooth and is going to help you get the perfect framing for your target. Physically, the scope is 44 centimeters long if you retract the dew shield, and fully extended it's roughly 54 centimeters long. So still compact enough to manage, but clearly built for serious imaging. What's great about the quadruplet scopes, especially from Altair Astro, is they are there ready to go out of the box. We haven't got to worry about any weird backspacing issues, and we don't have to worry about adding a field flattener. Whether you're running an APS-C size sensor all the way up to full frame, these are ready to go out the box and perform fantastically. So I've used all of the quad scopes, and the 90 is the same as all the others. The stars are pinpoint sharp to the corners. They're nice and round. There's no elongation, so no coma. There's no chromatic aberration. The two ED element glass components in these quadruplets correct the stars perfectly. We really do get a fantastic image. What I want to show you here is a single sub of a luminance, and what I did here was I put that into PixInsight and I applied the Blur X correction on the stars. And what I want to point out here is the amount of correction is so minimal it's hardly noticeable, and I think that is testament to how good the stars are out of this scope. They really are sharp. Now I've got other scopes that I use, and when I apply Blur X it makes a huge difference to the final image. But with the EDQs I'm finding actually I don't actually even need Blur X. I could most probably get away without it. Let's be honest, this is the kind of scope that you need in astrophotography. We don't get enough clear nights to spend most of that fighting with gear that we can't quite get right. So the quads just work. You just put your camera on the end, get it guiding, and then you can just take some fantastic data. The build quality on the Altair Astro EDQ is of the same standard as their other quads. And in fact, they're all their scopes. I've never had an issue with Altair Astro's telescopes. They've always been built to an extremely high specification and they feel lovely in the hand. And the quad is absolutely no different whatsoever. Everything is super smooth, so gaining focus, getting that framing correct has all been an absolute breeze. And what's lovely is you get some really lovely clean data back, which is really usable, and it can produce some lovely images. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing one with you that I've taken, and I'm hoping to add a lot more so that you can see just how capable this scope is. So jumping on Altair Astro's website, I can show you here that the price for the 90-450 ED-FX quad is £2,169 in the UK. Altair Astro do ship internationally, and the international price is just £1,807.50. Now, that might seem like a lot of money, and it is, but I must be honest with you, you really are getting a lot of scope for your money. You will see where the money's gone when you get your hands on it. So this is a great scope. I loved I still do love the 130 EDQ or 650 FX. And the 70 EDQ again was a fantastic scope. And this is a really nice size, bridging the gap between the two. So if the 130 is a little bit out of your price range, you can definitely consider one of these because it's about half the price, which there's a lot of scope for your money there. Now I am going to follow with more images, but at the moment I've just got one that I want to share with you, which I managed to take of the Bode and Cigar galaxies. I was able to get just under 5 hours of data on these, and I just took LRGB data. I was using the 294mm Pro and shooting through Altair Astro's LRGB filters. What I really like with this image is just how detailed it is. The scope really does resolve the image extremely well, bringing out all the fine details. But I will be back with further images for you to have a look at and see how well this scope performs. I've got no hesitation in recommending it. I know it's going to be a fantastic scope, and I'm really looking forward to getting it on some more targets. But check out Altair Astro's website. If you've enjoyed the content, please think about giving me a thumbs up and maybe even subscribing to the channel. Jump over to my Patreon page at Astrobloke, where you can see my videos earlier and without any ads for a small fee of just the same price as a cup of coffee once a month. It also helps support my channel a bit further. But until next time, I hope you all keep well. I wish you clear skies, and I'll see you under the stars.